Alright, this is a Putzmeister TK40, year 2012, serial number 3128. We're gonna do a quick overview about what's gonna be done on this machine. Okay, the first thing we see here is already the jack. That jack has been replaced, and the front lunette to hook to the actual truck. We're gonna put, obviously, your bonnet, your front bonnet, that's gonna be in there with the grill in front of it. Then we go into this piece. This right here is a brand new 2022 right here. You gotta look. 2022 diesel engine. This is a TCD or BF4L 2011. This is the original engine that comes with the machine, just a newer version. The old one on this one burned up, so we just had to purchase a brand new one. It comes with a 1-year warranty from the Deutsch factory. It already comes with these filters and everything else. This also is gonna get a brand new hydraulic pump. So we're gonna install a brand new hydraulic pump right there. We're gonna put piston cups. We're gonna put brand new piston cups. We already started doing some work as far as the hydraulics. As you see here, gauges, side gauges, temperature sensors, throttle cables. All of this is gonna be redone. The cabinet over here, all the toggle switches are gonna be replaced. The key switch right here is gonna be replaced. And then we're gonna go into the switch over and everything that goes in. So all the wear parts, all the wearable items are gonna get brand new, meaning the wear plate, the cutting ring, the outlet bearing, the inlet bearing, the agitator bearings, the agitator shafts, all of that is gonna get done. And also you're gonna get a brand new agitator motor. All the lines, as you see, are already brand new. They're already hooked up and everything else. We're gonna put new lights on the brakes, rear lights on the fenders, and new lights on the hood right here. It's gonna get washed up. We're gonna have a brand new handle on the agitator control valve. That's gonna be replaced. Also, we're gonna make sure, as you see here already, it's got some parts that are brand new. We already started working on it. As you see, this is the forward reversing valve. That's also got a brand new one on it. Again, all the wearable items are gonna be brand new. It's got already brand new fenders, brand new tires, brand new brakes, brand new bearings. This machine basically is a full refurb machine with a new engine. So it's basically a brand new machine. Thank you.